Friends, I just received, by way of Oslo, Norway, by way of Geneva, Switzerland, my custom Cyrus Klepcys Solo. I am now an official ambassador of Cyrus. I'd say that they're probably the coolest watch company in all of the world. Just showed up. It's right here. I'm so excited. This was handmade for me from Cyrus themselves. Let's open this now. Very excited, very excited. Let me make sure you can't see any addresses. You probably heard my kids yelling. Let's open it. Open the box over here. Very excited. All right, here we go. So there's two boxes in here. Start with the big one first. So this has been being built for a while now, months, in fact. Ooh. Cyrus is a newer luxury watchmaker in the world, and I truly believe that they're going to be one of the top, if not the top. Have you seen their vertical tourbillon model? I've been waiting for this for so long. I'm so excited. Ooh. Ah. You know me in a good box. Folds forward. Are we gonna do this together? It's got a button on the box. Yeah. Try to make it where you could see it first. Let me take this thing out. Okay, that's what it was. That's what it was. I think customs moved that. Ready? Is it in the smaller box? Is it? If it's not in this box, I'm gonna cry. If it's not in this box, I'm gonna cry. That was a good trick there. Maybe I should open this one first. Okay, it was in this one. Oh my goodness. Did that scare you? That scared me. This thing looks huge. Holy cow. Carefully, carefully now. Ready? Let's get right. Look at that. Zoom back out. Look at this thing. Beautiful that is. I want to thank Cyrus for making this happen. Tideman's out of Norway for making this happen. Incredible. Incredible. I had reached out to both of them, Tideman's and Cyrus, just explaining what a fan I was of Cyrus's work. And just saying, hey, if you ever need someone representing, let me know, because I think your brand is incredible. And lo and behold, they're like, you know what? Let's build you something. So I'll be doing an official incredible photo shoot for them. Not exactly sure how to use this strap just yet. Yeah, this one has the inner workings. It's got the skeleton vibe going, which I didn't realize how skeleton-y it is. I should get you really close. Here. Close, say about here, and let's let it zoom out so you can truly see it. All right, wait till it pops back out. Look at this. Once it zooms out, it's going to look incredible. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Cyrus Klepcys solo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Matthew Kiichi Heafy engraved. Number 16 out of 100 made. 16 out of 100. Mine is the only one with the Tideman's luxury watches there. Matthew Kiichi Heafy there. Water resistant. Check out how this bracelet works. And the way that oh, sorry. There we go. The way that Tom spec'd this out for me with Cyrus was that it has to work on stage, and then I have to be able to wear it on tour. I was so scared of the concept of wearing their watches on tour, like on stage and getting all gross and stuff, but they built it in a way that I should be able to do that, which is super freaking crazy. Okay, now I understand the strap. I have pretty thin wrists. I went one tight. Look how big this thing is. Cyrus, I'm so stoked. Tom, I'm so stoked. There it is. Let's go one looser. The only watch I'm wearing now. What diameter? That's a good question. I believe it's 44 or 46, which I'm super stoked on. I like gigantic watches. If you all have not seen their vertical tourbillon yet, I think that is cooler than any watch on the planet. But right now, this one's my favorite watch on the planet. Cool. Little blue wrapping. You sure got me with that case, though. Sure got me. But I'm blown away. Thank you so much, Cyrus of Geneva, Tideman's of Norway. Chat. This is going to look good. I was hoping to have this before a lighter distant mirror. But we'll have it for the next one. I'm afraid to wear it on tour. Afraid to wear it on tour. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, now it's one loose. We'll get the feel for it. Incredible. Incredible. Let's get the time. 15. Here's how it moves. Crown feels incredible. Oh. Hi, Paulo. I'm not sure what the second crown does. But yeah. Cyrus Tidemann, thank you so much for making this happen.